Hi guys, I'm praying everyone is doing well and thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ajumajara. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making mandazi. Get to stick around and watch the full video. But before we even start, if it's your first time visiting my channel, kindly click the subscription button and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell not to be missing new videos weekly. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I had already started making my dough. I used sugar. I mixed it using warm water, and I'm also going to be using milk and oil. The oil makes the dough to at least ishikane vizuri so that isikuwe stickier even on your hands when you use cooking oil. And hamira is also yeast. You can use yeast in making your mandazi. They always come out so perfect. I also added cinnamon and cardamom powder. I really love using them when making my mandazi.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you. I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm
You can see how our mandazi is turning out to be, right? When you use yeast or hamira in Swahili, it does make your mandazi to like inafura, and it turns out to be so good. When you see them zinafura tu vizuri, even when you're making like mahamri, you'll just have to use yeast in making them, and they'll also turn out very well.
I feel alright.
Try to break us, but we won't back down. Destroy us, we'll always be around. Loud sound, big missile jumping from the clouds. Watch your step in this torn up town. We're fighting for you to come back home soon. The family's miss you. Lost now, but we see you.
If you're watching this video and you haven't given it a thumbs up yet, I don't know why you're skipping to give it a thumbs up. Just give it a like. I mean, look at that video. If you want me to be making such videos, comment on my comment section, and also tell me if you even tried making the recipe and how it did come out on your side. If you're watching the video and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell not to miss new videos which I'll be posting weekly.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure.
As I'm winding up, I'm so grateful for everyone who has been there with me through this channel. I'm truly grateful. This was the video for today and it's done. So see you on the next video. Goodbye and have a lovely day.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You were scared from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna shed tonight.